way. Dang.
Y'all getting on my nerves. Y'all know that.
Yeah. No. Shut up. No, the bag.
I'm a whoop him.
No, the bag. I said.
Let me zoom into this big old guy. Let me zoom not this old guy. Let me go cost. Oh, crap.
Oh. Focus on him.
Focus on these. Focus on.
Who had got their footsteps?
I think Deidre. Who's the white person?
Yeah, that's a lot too.
Hurry up. What?
No, let the route something. It's gone. It's annoying noodles.
Let me see what that sign say. Slow pettings. Pet X. Hey, don't you walk away from me. Hey, sir. No, sir. Don't you walk away from me. Dang, he got that nice motorcycle. Let me zoom into that mother clock.
So what y'all was doing?
None. Keep wanting me to play with her.
Shut up. No, don't
Why?
say it.
Say what?
No, you better say something.
Why you want to play with her?
No, I thought you not to say it.
Oh, you can't tell me I don't want to say you, so you don't want to hear it. You a baby, so.
I'm a
I wonder where it showed the zoom and stuff.
It will.
Shut up, Cal.
I'm 6.
You shut up.
I'm 6.
You shut up, man. I'm gonna knock you out.
Dad,
Are you gonna knock me out? No, I'm gonna knock you out.
stupid.
You
Shut up.
stupid.
Dad,
You ugly.
Dad.
Yeah. You can talk all that stuff. Ugly mother cock a noodle.
Yeah.